Hey guys, in this video I show you how to change the oil on a 2018 Honda Odyssey. We go over everything you need, the tools, the parts, some useful tips and tricks. Here what you need for this oil change: car ramps, an oil filter removal wrench, a Phillips screwdriver, 7mm wrench to remove oil plug, replacement gasket, a new oil filter, 6 quarts of oil, an oil drain pan, and a funnel. So we need to elevate our front of the car with car ramps. Then we need to engage parking brake. Okay, add some support to the wheels to avoid sliding. And use yoga mat. We don't want our bike lying on the concrete. This is oil drain plug and you need 17mm socket wrench to remove it. When drain plug is loosened, you can safely remove it by hand. Nice. And wait until all oil is drained. It takes some time. This is a nut bolt and we put a new washer on it. That's good. Now we install nut bolt back into place. Starting from securing from hand and now tighten up to exact specification like 29. Yeah, exactly 29 now. Now we're going to replace oil filter. So loosen it using oil filter wrench. Okay. Now we need to put zip plug on the filter. You will see how it will save us from oil leakage. You see how much oil inside the filter. And we don't want this oil to be on our car parts or driveway. Okay. And now time clean up and time to set up a new one. Just use your hand power to secure it. No, don't need to over tight. Okay, now time to fill a new oil. So remove the oil cap from engine right here. Then set extra long funnel and put 5.7 quarts of oil into your engine. After that, give some time to oil to settle, like 5 minutes, and then check oil level. It should be somewhere in the middle.